and welcome back to the channel. It's certainly been a while. Sam and I have been traveling in Argentina for the last 3 months, but we are now back in Canada, back in the studio, getting back into editing. And today we have a special video for you because we have teamed up with Trover to give one of you guys a $1,000 travel prize so you can go on your own foodie adventure. So if you know us, you already know we love food, we love travel, and now we're going to tell you why you need to know about Trover.
Trover is a travel and photography app designed to help you share and discover new places. You can use the app on your phone, tablet, or desktop computer to upload images of things like a great local restaurant, a quirky landmark, or a fun tour you went on. You can then geotag these discoveries and write a caption with any insider tips you may have, so that other travelers can in turn find these places and share the same experiences. Since you already know I'm a major foodie, one of the ways I like to use Trover is to share food discoveries around the world. For example, Sam and I just spent 3 months in Argentina, where we feasted on knackwurst and sauerkraut in the small alpine town that was founded by Germans. We also had a spectacular Welsh tea in the very same place that Lady Diana once visited. And once we got to Mendoza, we spent a full day touring a bodega, sampling their wines, and then enjoying a steak lunch at their restaurant. These are just a few of the discoveries you can find on my Trover page. Trover also has a nearby function where you can explore places near you and then sort these by food, outdoors, or art based on your interests. So if you're traveling somewhere and you're not quite sure what to do, you can open the app and see what's near you. But now let's talk about how one of you can win a $1,000 travel prize in partnership with Trover.
So back to the giveaway. Basically, all you have to do is upload a photo of your favorite foodie spot. So that could be a bar, a cafe, restaurant, food market, food truck, you name it, it just has to be food related. So upload your image, write a little description, be sure to include the Trover Foodies hashtag so we can track your submission. We'll be accepting submissions from May 1st to May 15th, then we'll be choosing a winner and getting in touch with you, the lucky one, to give you your $1,000 travel prize that you can use to go on your own foodie adventure. So we look forward to seeing your submissions and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!